Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you something exciting to do it yourself. Now this is part of the DIY kit that goes into our Lifefulness box. Now this is a box, it's a wellness box, a subscription box specially done for women, and every month we have something interesting, something exciting for them to try. And this month's box has this shimmer spray, a DIY of shimmer spray. So we've given all the ingredients, all the things that you need for it in the kit, now in the box like this, in a small pouch. And let's get to make this and see how this is working well for us. Okay, so the first thing is, there is a spray bottle which is given in the kit, and we've already filled in glycerin into it, but right now I'm going to be doing this in the video and showing you. So the right quantity that is needed for this size of a bottle we are already added. So let me get doing with that. Glycerin is something, if you're wondering, if it's harmful or whatever, it's not, because this is something which is being used in all the sanitizer sprays that we're using. It basically moistens your hair, your hand a little bit. So I've just added the quantity that is there in your box, the bottle. Okay. So this is how it's already filled in your kit already. So what we also have in the kit is this shimmer powder, which is being given. So I'm going to be adding the shimmer powder. Just don't open the whole thing. I'm making a small opening in the side, and this shimmer powder is something like a slight copper shade, so it will suit a lot of people. It's a pinkish copper, so it kind of gives you, it's not very bright, it's not big shimmer, so it's a very mild one, and it really brings out a nice glow. So I'm going to be adding. So you can put the whole packet slowly so that this shimmer is not wasted. Alternatively, what you can do is do this whole thing in another bowl as well, and then mix it nicely and pour it back into this bottle. I leave it to you, the option you want to use. I'm just straight away going and putting this powder into this one. You can put it in a paper and roll it into a small thing, and also slide this whole thing inside. So whatever suits you, whatever is comfortable for you, just go ahead and do it like that. Okay, fine. So all my powder is inside. You can see it here. It's in this place. So the next thing that we are going to be doing is adding some rose water. So this is also there in your kit. So I'm gonna first pour in some. And why rose water? Usually, people tend to add water, but I'm adding rose water because it gives a nice smell as well. And when we put it, so I'm gonna be using, you can again use any stick, anything at home to stir it, right? And I'm just using a stick which I have at home, and then you can even shake the bottle and then make sure this is mixed well. You can also add a little bit of water if you feel you don't want the rose water smell too much. Just add a tiny bit of water also to this. This is just a spray, so nothing really happens. Okay, and I'm going to also shake and show you how this turns out to be. Okay, now all our contents are inside. Look at how this has got mixed now. If you see, there's a nice little shimmery bottle that I've got. Okay, I wanna top it with this little more rose water because I really like the combination of the rose water smell. Okay, I've poured the whole bottle, so you could also pour this whole bottle in as well. Yeah, it's already smelling so good. Yes, that's it. You can have, if you see, this is your shimmer, your own shimmer that you've made all by yourself. Okay, I'll show it to you in a closer thing. Just see how this is looking. This is it, and see the shimmer move around. Okay, so let me also spray this and show it to you how this is going to look on my hands. Okay. See this light shimmer that you can see. And then, okay, so that's how, I mean, it has this very mild shimmer. It's not so, what to say, this thing, so you could just spray it on your face as well. On all it has is, you know what, so it's not so, this thing. On your skin, just spray it here when you go out. If you want, you could also add, while we have given you a shade which you think might be nice, but if you have some other shade, if you think you have some eyeshadow which you want to use as this, feel free to use that. But this is something which is very exciting, and just spray it a little bit and wipe it and go. It gives you this nice refreshing feeling. So yeah, and the smell of the rose water is so nice. So hope you like this DIY as well. So I mean, these are things that, like this, there are a lot of things that we are going to be giving you in the subscription box. So keep looking for it, keep subscribing to our boxes, and every month we'll surprise you with another interesting do-it-yourself. See you. Bye-bye.